So like I said, just give that a good blow, clean it all out while you're in here, and then back to the old pile here. Grab this. Make sure, by the way, that this wire right there, you'll see this little clip it needs to go in. Just make sure it's in there. And then that. Just line it up. So once you got it lined up like that, before snapping it all down, I would suggest put the screws in back in order. So, alright, so we're gonna go ahead, put them back on in there. And again, just kind of get them in. You don't need to snug them down yet. But like I said, this is awesome doing this with one hand. Makes it easy. I'm gonna put this camera down while I get the rest. But like I said, just get all of those screws back in there, and then yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so once you've got all those screws in, just go ahead and basically what I'm doing is kind of grabbing it and just kind of wiggling a bit just to snap it back in there, back into place. And then take your caps. You see the long end goes on the back, so like that. These ones will be kind of fun to snap back in there, but they will go. Just we'll come back to them. But yeah, once you've got it all the way back in place around there, then you can go about tightening those down. Like I said, not too tight, just snug them down. Alrighty, so right now I've got all the screws in. They're all snugged up nice and good. Everything's popped back in. Make sure you press it in down here. These can be tricky when you put them in. Just they're easier than you would think to get in. I mean, you basically just set them in and put very slight pressure and they're in. So if you have to push hard, you're doing it wrong. Anyway, that being said, you should also be able to, have full range on it without any like clicking noises or anything like that. So once you got that, flip her back on over. Put the battery back in. And the battery cover. Make sure it's pressed in. Alright guys, moment of truth. Success. Voila. No dead pixels. We're all good and happy here. Look at that. So, that is how you replace your screen on your Asus PRO5DIJ. Like I said, I got the screen from laptopscreens.com, pretty good price. Yeah, that's about it. So, thanks for watching.